Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to see hidden chat folder in Telegram. Let me show you how. I'm going to give you two possible ways by which you can use to see hidden chat in your Telegram app. For that, go ahead and open up Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram app, for you to have access to hidden chat on Telegram, so from the home page right here, just swipe this way. I'm going to swipe this way. Then you have the access to hidden chat folder right here. So go ahead and click on that. You have access to all hidden chat profile. However, you can come to the settings right here. Also, then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on chat folder right here. Then go ahead and click on here. You have access to all hidden chat contact right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Telegram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.